share Ghana mo ye wo nkrofo bi omo so yo from gospel musicians, gospel artists. Me pesa na bubo ebi no mudin wa. Omo ayo omo saint no asawo kakra. Je nkrofo no mu kunu kakra. Ye friend is saying edwamambo kakra. And I'm going to see on my Ghana from gospel musicians. Now you mean that social media yiswa. And I'm a new ball in mama you are a friend say 9 biso. Joyce Blessing, Christiana Love, and name me no be a can 1% of boom. Na sa wo hwe sa group no a omo ye video no omo ka wo video no mo sent no se o man Ghana mu who ye program no one from a who program no ensipa and I'm say na da bena asawofo we asawofo Esther Treaty for yi edidin krofo kunu no mu yi da be na we mu yi e qualify yes o mo be from gospel musicians adie yi ni me bi say yi hwede ni mo original me video ni hwede ni pa original me video so adie yi ehu ni hu saint no wa qualify abedani gospel musician ohun ni hu say rasta na egu ni tisu o sempese na egu ni tisu o no peloni ehun ni hu saint no ono nso qualify to be a gospel musician momenka say gospel musicians if we be na ma mo Ghana no wo hu na sa me hwe sa ababa ayo we ni squad any ni group wa on owo mu na no wonder ababa ayo we yo mama Pat program na ye no Thanksgiving program na ye na mama Pat no pese wo ba ase ye no na enye wo ho fe enye sent no uni ukunu te wakọ wo oni mmema foforo different no here de nyankopon when they breaking news baby sisuiria mafu wo bia no montwe sisuiria mafu mame Cecilia mafu Ghana for say beje ubuo beje ebo kese pa Cecilia mafu beje ubuo Cecilia mafu sisuiria mafu obi na kan Cecilia mafu Ghana for say beje ubuo unimpa ye honhom konkon na ma wo koji mic no fi ababa ayo we nsim eye honhom konkon na ma Cecilia mafu ekoji mic no fi ababa ayo we nsim na se wo ye program na wo frɛ asawofo obi no mu sei so mo be perform wo program asia eye eni efenisen no me nkwa na mo de be go guest so wo ye osofo na wo frɛ asawofo obi asawofo na mo no me ka say mo sei nyankopon afrɛ mo Joyce Blessing o say Joyce Blessing si o say your friend is saying me hu edin no krampo bo Joyce Blessing kurako bisa ingege no say asawo asi o asawo tutu dan bra bono ingege no ni ni knuti esama old burger trasini be mana ono ojina hwa ni 9 pon ka form no old burger ko di ni true mu 1 hour no wonder Joyce Blessing you say Joyce Blessing you say the ben and then mama party nyankopon na kasa ama no won wenim gwase Joyce Blessing sa to bio and ye di and no so me sa can be nti me so metimi aka wasem Joyce Blessing trading issue wa akukọ so ne saint no Joyce Bresson mammy sana or one or wow na or near Bemati. Or no so your gospel musician or a gospel artist or I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know. Oti awaria siena ono ka say. Your friends and you no ka say when you oba papa bia aware no. Osuro Nyankopon, nyamesuro kakra woni mu no sana gospel nyum kakra, asawo kakra, running se kakra ni nemu. Okra ne kun say okọ program aba sana okoye runnings. Sana okodi ni twem. Joyce Bresson na mohuno sana. Joyce Bresson you say Joyce the band no. Sister. Unim na me ti wo baby say o from gospel music set. Sister, the accessory we are ma for the year no. Anke no pampo me dia na better thing see we are ma for the no. Me who say Joyce Bresson akoji mic wo baby say oto numa wo hu. Me pie free mic no mo abetwa na ni so ama no times 20. Joyce Bresson me say then me pie free mic no dia sisi we am for the year no enu kwa bo be small. Me pie free mic mo pa betwa we ni so. Mama Pat na nkopon na friend no so be nyame adwuma. Nyame hu ye say Mama Pat na betina asakra abrabo amo. Uba Thanksgiving nanka ebe da Nyankopon ase ebe sre boniface ewo Nyankopon ho anka Joyce Bresson anka na wa brabo ebe ye kronkron. Joyce Bresson me say uba Thanksgiving service na ye na nanka ye percent ye sakra wo kakra every ejama bon every asawo abrabo every jantra abrabo no uba yanka Mama Pat e dey sato so uba yanka ka obehu changes in your life and then Mama Pat Nyankopon na askwa no Mama Pat Nyankopon na me no frɛ Mama Pat na wo Joyce Bresson why you wenim to say chalk why you wenim to say crayon. So we are crayon crampoa, crayon. We are crayon crampoa, meaning calampoa Joyce Bresson, ye the man. Ujna ho is all your red in poor meaning. So we are orange in poor meaning. We are pink in so meaning. Skin color no can never be defined. DNA test be a chegua bonting. DNA test be chegua bonting din. DNA test no. Egumi phone so phone and one of the year life no. It means me fan chiremo, but me we are not publish it. Me seek lawyers' advice or some penny for advice if it's good to publish this DNA test. When they give me the go ahead that I should publish the DNA test, me, it's never me concern. Empire me manono eso to say car type. Manono eso to say a friend is saying Botox. And so me family who video si be circulate ni FN say DNA test be circulate. And now lady now the video no ba bonten no. When ti me ambodi or see obi bia won sabeka DNA test bia no. We a blogger, we a deben wait, don't come and talk about the DNA test. But me saka and me say what? How can I get this DNA test and not come and talk about it? DNA test results in then I mean saka and I mean become one. And your sister, me na become one sempa. Joyce Bresson. Joyce Bresson in ntiasia yenya ni DNA test na approve no. Approve wa bonten our social media so no. Yate as yenya ntiasia say Joyce Bresson na oti ho no Joyce Bresson Joyce Bresson no kan be the whole play me one. If you say to a woni bi awon offense wa woni bi this make it Oba woni to sana won so won e wo de boy. But then yeah, come in inside Joyce Blessing, you know. Sana ne ho ya ne da nkasa beifo na ho ya ne de. Menti ase I no understand. Inti any DNA test na circulate on social media no so. When any social media no so unni friend say VVVIP. You be no yeah VVIP pa. Mo kai say me na me ba abonten first o me na me ba abonten first. Ebeka kire mo say nti no. Asawo kakra, awaria kakra. Business kakra. Nia na me kaye. Na me nim say nti no. Asawo edwuma no sa na ebi mo nso ye omode. Na me nim sa asawo edwuma no sa na ebi mo de. Na me nim na ade Joyce Blessing ene ne squad ne nkrofo bi no mu nim wo social media no so no nim say nti no asawo edwuma no sa eno so your frɛ wo hu Joyce Blessing ene wo nim abra na me ntofo bra na me nkyerɛkyerɛ wo asawo edwuma no e your frɛ Joyce Blessing say nya me mfrɛ wo asawo edwuma mu a enim gwase na ye wo portion mo bi an de bisa me say nti no minya sa DNA test ni free. Munko bisa Joyce Blessing no can tell. Go and ask Joyce Blessing no can tell. Say DNA test na beto abonti na ye say ni first born and then the second born no nkola no nya ni kunu ni die no eye no kra na say nya no kra. It's very true Joyce Blessing. And also no obonyuma enum no nko beebia no you say Joyce Blessing say obo gospel enyum metie Joyce Blessing enyum a bi ansa ne me so metie Joyce Blessing gospel music sister sada no asawo hey me say down metie Joyce Blessing ni gospel enyum no no say gospel o me nim baby okonya na inspiration free Joyce Blessing in your sister, they say, Mom Brabant, and I'm going to testify. Da, Ubeka say, Udi Joyce Blessing in Nom, praises and worship. Udi Jiwe Nibisa, no sister Sadano, who be out the sound, who be out the day. I say, you know, I say, you foul Bisano. Apana, Udena, who Nkolani, Luna. Your friend is saying, Udi Koshe Ukunu, no say, hey, Nkolana, Jana, DNA test no. Nkola na enye papa ne de why. Ghana for. Inti ene DNA test na me hwe ni se sia no. According to the DNA test that I'm looking right now no. Mama ya DNA test no me pesa na bobo din no. Me pesa na bobo din no. Nkola ni din no so me pesa na baba na to abontin. According to the DNA test that I'm looking. Hey, Joyce Blessing. Why not there? Joyce Blessing, you don't do well. Firstborn no. Papa no who so kitu e bi kwampo nim. Oh, not even one. Let me say 1%. Joyce Blessing. You understand now, Ben? Hey, sister, who you would for? Ankasa. Not even 1%. Firstborn. Oh, Joyce. Oh, Joyce. Joyce for the would assemble unbreakable quotidian woman. DNA test now the to me no. Between Joyce Blessing and Joyce Blessing onini kunu Joyce Blessing onini kunu and a DNA test we no mind you and Joyce Blessing e koye DNA test no. Papa no Joyce Blessing ex-husband ono no koye DNA test no. Adenti no ye DNA test na. O say o share your friend is saying nkola no omunyi no ase omo sise bisa no ase nkola no omo nse papa no style bisa nti papa no dwen ho a onte ase e na o hwe niema Joyce Blessing waye na o your friend is saying o kita Joyce Blessing naked video obema ne da a ye twa no video a papa no ebi kita no wɔ ne phone so papa no wa akokudro pa papa no Joyce Blessing kru no owe akokudro se wate wo sika e de akɔware oba no oba na akɔbɔ away ɔkɔbɔ away no nso no we hunyansa ehu adwen o no ni obema foforo na ono na egbo away no omo de camera esi oboni so se ma yentwa video kakra na ya yemfa nkai ho eno na video ni bi akɔtɔ papa na eni so se yo obema bi a obetimi eku ne ho se yo obema bi pa ti se Joyce Blessing kunu na obetimi eku ne ho e se dia Joyce Blessing yeah se oni obema foforo pa akɔda na utimi ma wo ho kwan senti yentwa video na video na beto okunu phone so na okunu sorry a ofa video no na ohwese obema foforo edu ma wo doggy style ma wo kutuna menso mu ma wo ya friend say pilolo ma wo sokopi na ye bie mu ye bebe mu Joyce Blessing and why enjoy Joyce Blessing why enjoy na when susu I enjoy inti eni asam na da ho ne sent no papa no oya obi wo papa ne mu eya na ohu Joyce Blessing video na ye di no eya reho eya mobo
Boku One TV.